Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can quickly cancel your Netflix membership subscription. Now you can do this from a website or from the Android-based subscription or your iPhone subscriptions. So what you want to do is on the computer or on your phone web browser, go to netflix.com, and then once you go to that website, make sure you sign in to your account. And on your Netflix account, you want to go to the profile button at the top right hand corner around here, and then click on account. Next, click on cancel membership, and then click on finish cancellation. So that is a quick way of you canceling your Netflix membership. So for more information, what you want to do is click on your profile button at the top right hand corner, and when you click on it, there will be a drop down. So you go down. So from the drop down, go down and click on the account option. Then once you click on the account, you will be taken to a new page. Click on the cancel membership. So at the top corner here, there will be membership and billing. So you want to click on cancel membership. Then you'll be taken to another page, and from here click on the cancel membership. Click on the blue button called finish cancellation to complete the process. Okay, on your Android phone, if you have subscribed via the Play Store, then you can cancel it as well. To do that, you go to the Play Store. So from the home screen or in the app screen, open up Play Store, and in here we're going to tap on the profile account. Then we go down and tap on payments and subscriptions, then tap on subscriptions. Now if you have subscribed on your mobile device, there will be a section in here where you can select Netflix, and then once you tap on Netflix, you will be able to cancel it. Once you select cancel subscription, you can then confirm your choice. Now because I have not used my device to subscribe to Netflix, so there is nothing showing here, but if you have Netflix showing here, then you can cancel it. And that's it. This process is very similar to the iPhone or iPad as well. You go into your iPhone subscription base, and then you can remove Netflix and cancel it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.